In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn with Brave Browser. Let's dive right into the first method, which involves utilizing Brave rewards. So to start off, open your Brave browser. As you explore, you'll notice a small triangle logo in your address bar. This represents the BAT logo. Click on it and select Brave Rewards from the menu. Now, here's where the magic begins. Turn rewards on to start receiving privacy-respecting ads as you browse. It's important to note that each ad you view earns you B8, which stands for Basic Attention Token. This digital currency accumulates as you engage in your regular browsing activities, essentially allowing you to earn while doing what you already love doing online. Once you've accrued some BAT, you're probably wondering how to use it. You can connect a custodial wallet such as Uphold, ZebPay, or Bitflyer, depending, of course, on your country of residence. This is how you manage and withdraw your earnings, turning digital tokens into real-world value. Moving on to method 2, let's explore earning by becoming a Brave creator. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who create content online. Head over to creators.brave.com to get started. The first step will be to sign in using your email and verify your account. After you've set that up, you can add your various platforms such as YouTube, Twitter, or X as it's now known, your website, GitHub, and more. The beauty of this system is that Brave users who appreciate your content can tip you in BAT. It's a great way for your audience to show their support and for you to earn through your creative endeavors. To access these earnings, make sure to connect your wallet, which will allow you to collect and utilize the BAT you receive from your appreciative audience. Now, let's take a look at method 3, which focuses on how you can save money using Brave's built-in features. While this might not be direct income, the savings you'll rack up play a crucial role in your financial landscape. Start by opening the Brave menu, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, and head over to Settings. Click on Shields, a feature designed to enhance privacy and security. Make sure to enable block trackers and ads to cut down your data usage. You'll also want to enable Upgrade connections to HTTPS. It's a surefire way to ensure safer browsing and steer clear of potential scams. Additionally, Brave offers a VPN service, which is optional but paid for those who seek extra protection. Though it's not an immediate income stream, the savings on data and ad avoidance, plus securing your privacy against potential breaches, can add up significantly. So there you have it. 3 innovative ways Brave can help you earn or save money simply by adjusting a few settings and leveraging your creativity. Enjoy exploring these options, and happy browsing!